Welcome again on my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. It's very simple way. Open your Chrome browser and type here WhatsApp web. Then press enter. When it opens, click on first website. It will take some time to open. When it opens, click on three dots on right top corner. Earlier it was visible here, but now it will be found in Save and Share option. Click on Save and Share option and click on Create Shortcut. Change its name WhatsApp web to WhatsApp and check Open as window and click Create Shortcut. WhatsApp shortcut has been created in your PC. Close this window and right click on WhatsApp and click on Open. After that, you have to do some more setting. Open WhatsApp in your mobile phone and click on three dots on right top corner and click on Link Devices. Again click on Link Devices and click on Use Mobile Data. And scan barcode that is present on your desktop screen. That's it. WhatsApp are installed in your PC. Now you can do everything in WhatsApp which you were doing in mobile. Like this video and subscribe this channel for more video. Thank you so much for watching.